Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how to create a general Google account or Gmail account in just 10 simple steps. So the first thing we are going to do is get started here, and you just want to look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps icon. The second thing you want to do is click on account. It should redirect you to this page here. And you want to go back to the top right corner of your screen again. Step 3 is to click create an account. Now for step 4, it's going to ask you to type in your first and last name. For the sake of this video, we're going to type in John Doe and then click next. Now it's going to ask you for your basic information like your birthday and gender, which we're going to go ahead and put a random birthday for this as well. 1999. Please note that if you are possibly under the age of 18, you might have some limitations on your Gmail account. So yeah, just keep that into consideration when putting in your birthday. Then for our gender, we are going to go ahead and put female. That's fine. We're John Doe, female. It's okay. So now we are going to create our username. So since our name was John Doe, we're going to do johndoe.4@gmail.com. Okay, so usually since this is a generic username like John Doe, it might not let you take it, and this might happen a couple times where your username is taken. If that happens, there's always going to be some usernames available here at the bottom that you can just try to copy down and see if it'll go through. Definitely write this down if it's going to be a lot for you to remember. And this is just to ensure you keep your account. So after this, you want to click next. Then step 7 would be to create your password. So as you can see here, it says to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important to take into consideration because I'm about to show you. Let's say our password is banana, right? And let's confirm it with banana again. If we click next, as you can see, it's not going to let you continue until you have the mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So now we're going to make our password a little more complex. So instead of banana, we're going to do banana 21 exclamation point. Here we go again, banana 21 exclamation point. As you can see, I included a good amount of numbers and symbols with an uppercase and lowercase letter. So just make sure that you have all of these. Then you click next. Now it's going to ask you to verify that you aren't a robot. This is going to be step 8. So you would just type in your phone number. I'm going to type in mine. And the next part is just going to be verifying your phone number. Google should send you a text message with your verification code almost instantly. Mine is 825899. Again, this is just to ensure that you're not a robot and so they can verify your account. This is an optional option. I usually skip this, and since this is essentially going to be somebody's first email, you wouldn't have a recovery email to put here. So what you want to do is just skip. Then you review your account info, make sure everything's okay, click next. And then lastly, we have our privacy and terms. You can choose to read all these. I personally do not, but you scroll down to the bottom and you can click whether you agree or not. Then it's going to ask you again, confirm. You click confirm, and that is your account. You're basically all set. So these are just some optional options when you have your account. This is just to continue the setup, but you can always add a recovery phone, which could be the same as the phone number you included to verify. You can also add your location to get things like your weather, map results. You can also add a wallet in case you want to make any transactions, but that's just the general basis for a Gmail account.